So we've just been collecting fucking different shit out here. Getting like logs like this and shit, and just dragging them out there into the fire pit. Time to get it ready. Hi there, my name is Obison. Have you, sir, been finding yourself lonely in the middle of the night? We're no longer. Byproduct, the log. You too can find yourself companionship in times of being lonely. Is it cuffing season and you weren't able to find yourself a cuff? Well, cuff worry no longer. This log is a very companion that you can hug in the midst of the night. For only the price of a Hulu subscription, you too. Professional here. This here, you're probably wondering, what could this be? Oh no, just my light version portable log that could also come with me to the party, because he too is down to get down. Logs can we log up today? I think
that big fucking thing.
The fuck was that? I think moving the pots to the greenhouse. Boo, 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 boo. We'll have like little firework captions like here. I'm getting crushed in this thing. You can drop it. This is what we call a splinter slide. Easy fam, what do you want? What do you want? Ask the fucking questions.
Trying to climb up there?
I don't know. What do you want? Get the fuck out my face, bruh. Damn, personal space. Shit. What do you want? Oh, hey there. I didn't see you. Probably wondering what I'm doing. I'm just hacking at some wood. Probably wondering. But Obi-san, over-tastic. Obi, why are you crushing the very thing you're trying to sell? The very recent commercial you just made? Well, I'll tell you. Even though all our logs are made with care and love, some of them don't make the cut. When they don't, they have to get thrown into what we call the burn pile. Cue Sarah McLachlan music right now. For only the price of a Netflix subscription, you could... Apparently doesn't like my joke. Kind of fucked up. For the price of a Netflix subscription and a Ugandan child, you could help this log getting burnt. In the eyes of it. Oh wait, we can't sing the whole song. In the eyes of an Obi. Hey, say hi. Oh! Give me a fucking yerba mate. Huh. Opium, make a choice.
On his head so he wouldn't drop the ball. My phone. No.
God, my phone's okay. I mean, I'm okay. I was trying to go up the fucking pole, my shoe slipped. I don't like you. You're not getting my problem. Ow, fuck. Fuck. Ow. This. Cue Sarah McLachlan music.
In the arms of the angel.
Now we're just trying to stack up our embers. This is the only time we're getting something dried. It needs to be a necessity for survival. From wet to dry, not from dry to wet. See, jokes that can be funny, still not get you demonetized. Feed flame.
Now it's starting to be a bonfire. Should I move that bench back down here?
Sure.
Blitz when he gets back.
So the pallets in the dog area.
In the dog area?
Yeah, there's pallets in the dog area. Or those broken pieces from pallets.